Hi guys, I welcome you all back to my channel. In this video, I would be sharing a few things which I learned through the Generative AI Mega Workshop, which is conducted recently by the Rahul Attuluri sir, CEO of Nxtwave. Okay guys, let's get started. After attending the AI Generative Mega Workshop, I came to know that using Generative AI, we can create many applications through which we can create a text, an image and a video, and you can also create a speech. For example, if you see many applications are released in Generative AI, and for example, if you take images, you can create if you are a graphics designer and you have to do a Photoshop video, you can use AI to make your job easier. If you want, you can give it in words and you can get it in a picture format. That's the thing AI provides you. And then if you want to edit a video but you don't know how to edit, here comes the Generative AI to help you. Using Generative AI, you can create a video and you also can edit a video. Rather than editing, you can create a video by spelling it in a word. Next thing, I came to know about the tools used in Generative AI. The tools used in Generative AI are WriterMe, then musicgen app, Runway MI, then DALI 2, and etc. Many tools are used. Let's see what is WriterMe used for. WriterMe, in the words itself you came to know about that. WriterMe, it is an application used to write an articles or blogs, and you can even write books on your own using Generative AI tool. Then I came to know about the uses of DALI 2. In DALI 2, using DALI 2, you can create a content for your own concept or script. You can easily develop a website and you can design a website using DALI 2 tool. Then I came to know about the uses of Runway MI. Using Runway MI, it is used by many artists to develop a Photoshop and to edit their videos, and it is also used to create a cinema. Then they have created a cinema using Generative AI application using the tool Runway MI. As I mentioned earlier, Generative AI application is used to create a video. Even they have created a cinema itself. How much does it cost to take a original cinema? I think nearly 100 to 150 crores. But they have completed it within 1 crore. Not even a 1 crore, they have completed less than that using Generative AI. So using Generative AI, we can create a cinema itself. Then I came to know about the uses of musicgen app. Using musicgen, you can create your own music using guitar, then sitar, then keyboard, then piano. You can integrate all these instruments and you can create your own music using this OpenAI and Generative AI. The next thing, I came to know about the nuts and bolts of Generative AI. The nuts and bolts of Generative AI are considered as LLM, Hugging Face, Gradio, then OpenAI, Vector Database, and many more. And also Google Colab is considered as a nuts and bolts of Generative AI. Then in this, LLM, the large language model, is considered as a brain of OpenAI. It is used to develop many applications. Then the Hugging Face, it is used by more than 50,000 companies. 50,000 companies deployed in it. Using Hugging Face, you can create your own project if you know coding. Then I came to know about Gradio. In Gradio, if you give your input as a text and it will give you output as an image. As I mentioned earlier, it is a tool which is used to give your image if you give your input as a text. Then I came to know about the uses of tool murf.ai. In this website, you can use to translate a voice. It is used in cinema industries for dubbing the voices. Then I came to know about that many investment plans in Generative AI. Many tech giant companies, example, the Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has invested nearly $50 million in Generative AI. And many celebrities have also started investing in Generative AI. Then after completing this workshop, we have built our own project using Generative AI, through which we have taken a first step towards Generative AI. Then that's it about today's guys. I believe that through this video, you have came to know about a bit about Generative AI. Thank you guys. Do not miss a video like this. Consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys.